Need that morning coffee, bro. Am I right?
Tell me about it.
How's the new job?
Awesome, bro. Yeah, just had a meeting with the CEO yesterday, and I'm already looking at a promotion.
Lovely, lovely.
How about you, bro? Cryptocurrency shares still killing it?
Well, they just bought me a new boat, so aye, Captain.
My man! Did you see that?
Yeah, weird. Maybe they left the oven on or something.
Anyway, my Bitcoin's killing it, but the XRP shares, that's where the future's at, my G.
You, my bro. Preach it to the choir.
I think we might be getting racially profiled right now, my bro.
Bro, what the hell?
Man, I can't wait to tell the sister about what just happened.
What a snob.
What, she thinks we want to steal her Toyota? Get out of here.
Can't believe this, bro. Where's my morning coffee? Had enough prejudice for one morning.
Bro, straight up. Nah, stuff this, man. I want to go say something. Excuse me. Excuse me, man.
Hi, talofa.
Hey, why won't you park your car here? What, you think we're going to steal your car or something?
No.
We don't look trustworthy to you? What gives? Well, what's with the scoping us out and then going to leave?
It's a 10-minute only car park.
A what?
10-minute only.
Oh.
I can't park here.
True. Well, you know what? I think there's a car park building down the street about 500 metres or so.
Oh, cool. Ngā mihi, kia ora.
Oh, ka kite.
Yeah, you sure do. What did she say?
Bro, shame. It's a 10-minute only car park.
Bro, the Ferrari.
Oh, snap, the Bentley.
Turn it up and punch the